Allrecipes member Sharon submitted this recipe for easy pancakes, and she commented, "This recipe doesn't require much thought early in the morning, and it tastes great. We love that, and from start to the plate, just 15 minutes." In a large bowl, mix a cup of all-purpose flour, with 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Blend it all together and then make a well in the center. Pour in a cup of milk, 1 beaten egg, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix the batter until it's smooth. Now let's heat a griddle or frying pan over medium-high heat and lightly oil it. Pour or scoop the batter onto the griddle, using approximately a 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. When the edges are brown and small bubbles have formed in the center of the cakes, go ahead and flip them. Pancakes in the morning are always a perfect start to a great weekend. Enjoy!